Looking for the perfect handbag that combines style, functionality, and professionalism? In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 women's handbags for work to help you stay organized and look effortlessly chic. Whether you need a spacious tote, a sleek satchel, or a versatile crossbody, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to find your next go-to-work bag. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quality product recommendations. Number 1. Workweek purses and handbags for women. The Workweek purses and handbags for women is a versatile accessory designed to meet various needs, combining style with functionality. This handbag serves multiple purposes, functioning as a shoulder bag, handbag, tote, and crossbody bag. It features an adjustable and detachable shoulder strap, 40.5 to 48 inches, allowing for customizable comfort and various carrying options. Crafted from PU leather, the handbag is designed to stand independently and maintain its shape even when empty, ensuring a structured and sophisticated appearance. The bag is noted for its stylish versatility, making it suitable for various scenarios such as work, daily errands, shopping, and travel. Its sturdy design ensures it retains its shape, eliminating concerns about sagging or collapsing. Number 2. Ayoko Vegan Leather Crossbody Bags. The Ayoko Vegan Leather Crossbody Bag is a stylish and functional accessory designed for women who want a blend of fashion and practicality. Made from high-quality vegan leather, it offers a soft yet durable feel, making it a great alternative to genuine leather. The adjustable guitar strap adds a trendy touch while ensuring a comfortable fit for all-day wear. Its compact yet spacious design features multiple zippered pockets, providing ample room for essentials like a phone, wallet, keys, and small cosmetics. The secure zippers keep everything organized and safe, making it a perfect everyday bag for shopping, travel, or casual outings. This crossbody purse is lightweight and versatile, easily complementing different outfits, from casual to semi-formal looks. The sleek design and neutral color options make it a great choice for various occasions. If you're looking for a chic, practical, and cruelty-free handbag, this Ayoko crossbody bag is worth considering. Number 3. Reeler Hobo Crossbody Bags. The Reeler Hobo Crossbody Bag is a stylish and spacious handbag designed for women who love a blend of retro charm and modern functionality. Made from high-quality PU leather, this bag offers a soft, smooth texture while maintaining durability. The large capacity makes it ideal for daily use, fitting essentials like a wallet, phone, makeup, and even a small tablet. Its bucket-style design provides a chic, casual look that pairs well with various outfits, from workwear to weekend casuals. The adjustable crossbody strap ensures comfort, while the top zipper closure keeps belongings secure. This designer-inspired hobo bag is both fashionable and practical. The multiple interior compartments help with organization, and the retro-style stitching adds a unique touch. Perfect for shopping, travel, or daily outings, the Reeler Hobo Crossbody Bag is an affordable yet stylish accessory for modern women. Number 4. Ely New York Genuine Leather Crossbody Bags. The Ely New York Genuine Leather Crossbody Bag is a stylish and functional accessory designed for women who value both elegance and security. Made from premium genuine leather, this bag offers a soft, durable feel with a sleek finish. It features RFID blocking technology, ensuring your credit cards and personal information stay safe from digital theft. The compact yet spacious design includes multiple compartments, making it perfect for organizing essentials like a phone, wallet, keys, and cosmetics. The adjustable strap allows for a customizable fit, making it ideal for daily use, travel, or special occasions. Designed with versatility in mind, the Ely New York Crossbody Bag seamlessly complements both casual and formal outfits. The secure zippered closure ensures belongings stay in place, while the well-stitched interior lining enhances durability. Available in various colors, this bag is a great blend of fashion and functionality, making it a valuable addition to any wardrobe. Number 5. The Color Block Crossbody Bag for women is a stylish and functional leather purse designed for everyday use. With its eye-catching color block design, it adds a trendy touch to any outfit, making it perfect for casual outings, work, or travel. Made from high-quality PU leather, this crossbody bag is durable, lightweight, and easy to clean. The adjustable shoulder strap ensures a comfortable fit, allowing it to be worn as a shoulder bag or a crossbody. Its medium size provides the perfect balance between compactness and storage capacity, making it ideal for carrying essentials like a phone, wallet, keys, and small cosmetics.